guys, good morning everyone. Welcome back to our Gapi channel. This is Bills from Rizal, Philippines. I just want to thank those who have watched our latest video. The video on how to make a simple grooming setup. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, my goal is to make you a better Gapi hobbyist or Gapi breeder. So be excited guys for today's topic. Will gonna be so much interesting. So the topic for today, I'm going to teach you how to have a bigger Gapi female breeder, or how to have a big mama female Gapi breeder. So that will going to drop around 70 price and above. So wow, that's awesome. So are you excited? For some of our breeders never experienced to have a 70 plus or 50, even 50 plus price drop from their female Gapi breeders. So today I will teach you how to have a female Gapi breeders that will reach even up to 3 inches.
Basically, a female Gapi is about 1.2 inches up to 3 inches. So 3 inches is the maximum, but beyond some abnormalities, it can reach beyond 3 inches, but a rare incident. Its size also matters or affected by the genes quality it has. So the better genes quality it possesses, the bigger the size will be. And the food also affects its growth, on how much protein intake do you give your Gapi female breeder per meal. However, there is a secret, as I have said earlier, especially for those pro breeders. I know they know this, and today I would like to reveal it to you. So the secret on how to have a 2 to 3 inches female Gapi breeder is none other but to breed them beyond 5 months old. Yes, you have heard it right. If you would like to have a bigger female, breed them when they reach 5 months old. So you can breed them as soon as 3 months old. However, you will not get the ideal size or the maximum potential size of that female Gapi breeder. But it's alright if you don't have many female Gapi breeders, and you need to propagate it as soon as possible. You can still breed it even if it did not reach 5 months old. But however, if you have a lot of female Gapi breeders, so you can leave it virgin, so you can experiment, try to compare the size of those females who have bred 3 months old and those females who are not being bred up to 5 months old. So you can see the difference in its sizes. So this ABT female, as you can see, this is 3 inches long. Now it drops until 100 price, because this is really a big female Gapi breeder. This bluegrass ribbon is also 3.2 inches. It's bigger than the ABT. So last drop of it, it reaches 130 plus price. So I waited until it reached its 5 months old. That's why she became that big. So it's about patience, guys. It's all about the waiting process. The longer you wait, the bigger it becomes. So patience is a virtue as well in this hobby, my brothers. So look at it. It's too big. And I'm waiting maybe in 20 days or 25 days it will drop once again. So hopefully guys, you get that idea to wait until 5 months old until you breed it. So leave it virgin until it's 5 months old. So that's the ultimate secret on how to have a big mama female guppy breeders. So just separate the males and the females. So these are the example of my HB blue females. Look at them. So they are just 2 months old. So I also already separated them and wait them until they reach their 5 months old. So they are the future big mamas. Look at them, they are so gentle, they are tamed, they are lovely. And another batch of HB blue female. They are not elusive, but they are tamed. They are gentle and lovely. They will bite your fingers. And look at this red lace females. So this is project. I'm making a lots of big mama females because a lot of our buyers are searching or looking for buying for a big mama females, because they want a huge drop of price. This is albino glass belly females. Look at them. So guys, hope you have learned something from this blog or video. Good luck.
Before I end this video or this vlog, I would like to shout out for those guppy keepers out there in Davao City. Shout out to you, and to my fellow hobbyists there in Samar, Philippines. Shout out, and to my fellow keepers in Calbayog. Shout out. So continue to be in touch with this channel for more knowledgeable guppy videos. So guys, that's it. I hope you have learned something new and something important today. So I hope all of us will have a future big female guppy breeders or big mama that will give us a massive amount of price in the future. So good luck in our hobbies. Until then, this is Bills from Kilawin Line. God bless us all.